Teniški navdušenci in navdušenke, prav lepo pozdravljeni. Pred nami je zanimiv teniški pogovor. Zdaj bomo najprej odšli Gregorju Krušiču, direktorju Tenis Slovenije, ki bo povedal, zakaj smo se danes zbrali, o čem se bomo, Gregor, torej pogovarjali. Lep pozdrav.
Že, hvala lepa za besedo in lep pozdrav vsem tenisačem in ljubiteljem tenisa v imenu predsednika Tenis Slovenije, Andreja Slaparja, in vsem ostalim, ki smo povezani z vodenjem Tenis Slovenije. I'd also like to thank our guests, close business partners and decision makers at ITF, Mr. Luka and Santilli and Mr. Paul Lifton, who will be introduced a bit more in next minute. And of course, we'll introduce World Tennis Number into details in next couple of minutes. Projekt World Tennis Number smo pripravljali zadnjih 6 let v sodelovanju s strokovnim svetom, predvsem predsednikom Markom Porom, sledili prihodnosti, kar World Tennis Number prinaša, in podrobnosti vam bosta predstavila gosta. Jaz pa vas v imenu Tenis Slovenije zgolj pozivam, da sistem, ki je zelo podoben UTR-ju, vsem znanemu UTR-ju, spremete za svojega, ker bo WTN ali World Tennis Number s 1.7. zamenjal le tega. Tako da samo čez 15 dni se bomo sestali s tem novim sistemom, ki je v bistvu prihodnost, ki prinaša mnoge zanimivosti, novosti in o tem, kot rečeno, več naša kolega. Vse, kar je za uporabnika novega in kar boste potrebovali narediti, vsem vas bomo redno obveščali, je ustvariti nov profil in o tem naprej slediti navodilom, ki ne bodo zahtevna in bomo testirali še v naslednjih mesecih, nekje meseca septembra pa prišli v celoti na sistem ITF-a World Tennis Number. Prepričani smo, da bo sistem WTN dodal še dodaten veter v jadra in se pravi s tem članom Tenis Slovenije, tekmovalcem, trenerjem, staršem, selektorjem in vsem ostalim samo pomagal k razvoju, kjer ga pri Tenis Sloveniji dokazujemo v zadnjih letih in napredujemo. Evo, s temi besedami že te predajam nazaj k izvršnemu direktorju razvoja pri Svetovni teniški zvezi, gospodu Luki Santilliju, in pa vodji IT razvoja Paulu Liftonu. Hvala lepa.
Hvala za zdaj, torej Gregor. So first question for you, Mr. Luka. Please tell us what is this new World Tennis Number and how come that ITF decided to create its own rating system?
Thank you very much, Gregor, for your nice words and introduction. Thank you, 𝐚𝐤𝐭𝐢𝐯. As part of the ITF mission, we aim to make the game more accessible and inclusive across the world. The ITF World Tennis Number is a fundamental part of the ITF development program to reach out to the millions of amateur players around the world and inspire them to play more often and have a better, enjoyable tennis experience overall. It is a digital development tool offered free of charge to all member associations and the players to unify the sport and grow tennis in each territory. Our ongoing work to grow the sport with all the ITF member nations, large and small, more or less mature tennis nation, has allowed us to engage effectively with them on the World Tennis Number.
Where did you see the need to step away from the traditional point system and move towards the rating instead?
Very interesting question. Already in 2001, the ITF introduced an international rating called the ITN, the International Tennis Number, which was an absolute innovation for the time. However, for a number of reasons, mainly the lack of digital tools at that time, it was not developed further. With the ITF World Tennis Number and the digital technology available to us today, we are on an exciting journey to unify the world tennis community under a simple scale, where a number from 1 to 40 will define the standard of every player in the world, from the one who had just started to play at the local tennis club, 40, to a professional player who will be around 1. Traditional rankings do a great job in defining the standard of player in a specific tour or circuit. However, they are unable to take into consideration the entire player results across different competition pathways, from local, to provincial, to national, to international, like the ITF World Tennis Number.
First question for Paul. Maybe Paul, can you please tell us more about the rating itself? How does it work?
It's an objective measurement of your ability as a player based on all of the results in our database. It's a rating for players all around the world, and it's updated on a weekly basis. And it changes if you've played during the week or if you had new data added. It's very much a rating and not a ranking. The World Tennis Number scale goes from 40 to 1, 40 beginners and 1 for the top professionals. It's based on individual performances and less around your age and your gender. For an example, a top junior could be 3 or 4. And maybe a top senior, a 6-year-old senior could be as high as 9. And it's a rating for players all around the world of all ages, genders, abilities and standards.
So the tennis-specific algorithm looks and calculates the rating based on certain parameters. Can you explain a little bit more about these parameters? How can a player improve his ranking?
So the ITF World Tennis Numbers look at your performance against your opponent, and they take into account both of your numbers on the day and your performance in the match result. It recognizes the result at set level as well. So if you lose a set, but you win the game, or you win a set, but you lose the game, you get recognition for that set performance as well.
Maybe Luka again, you have been working with Tenis Slovenija on the implementation of WTN. How do you see this partnership? How will our national association like Tenis Slovenija benefit from the new rating system?
Tenis Slovenija is a modern and effective organization which has the ambition of developing tennis in Slovenia by using the latest, most impactful products available, like the ITF World Tennis Number. We are pleased with the work done by Tenis Slovenija, and we have no doubts that this initiative will be very successful. Also, Tenis Slovenija will show the way to other national federations on how to roll out this innovative product. By launching the ITF World Tennis Number, Tenis Slovenija has joined a global tennis community of over 140 nations, has provided its local community, the Slovenian players, with a product which is becoming the global currency and the common language for tennis. From ITF World Tours down to the local tennis league in each country around the world, the ITF World Tennis Number has become the standard tool for tennis. The World Tennis Number, as you heard from Paul, is a number assigned to a tennis player that reflects their current level of playing ability. It's not a ranking. It's a rating tool that is accessible through digital technology that help players to better find local base play opportunities in all regions across the globe, help players track their progress and compare them across the local and world tennis ecosystem, and help tournament directors and providers to seed, select, and group the players for sanctioned and non-sanctioned events, such as club events. The ITF World Tennis Number is a great product because it can be used in many different ways, and it is complementary to existing national ratings and rankings. Many national federations are going to use it, are using it actually, as the national ratings as we speak, while others are using it for players' entry acceptance and seeding for tournaments at all levels, from ITF sanction to local tournaments for recreational players all over the world. Basically, the ITF World Tennis Number is the easiest way to identify the standard of any players and the easiest way to organize level-based competition and ensure that everyone has a great time playing tennis.
Paul, ITF also offers a brand new tournament management system to run their tournaments on this platform. Maybe can you say a little bit about ITF Tournament Desk? What will this mean for National Association and particularly for Tenis Slovenija?
This is new state-of-the-art tournament software. It's based around the tournament software that was rolled out by USTA and Intercollegiate Tennis last year. It's got many state-of-the-art features, setting up tournaments, obviously, scheduling, checking in players, assigning courts. But I think maybe the greatest step forward is the fact that all of the results automatically update the World Tennis Number database, and therefore will be transferred very accurately and update those World Tennis Numbers ready for those players to use in their next matches.
Thank you both. And the last words will be from our director, Gregor. Torej, tvoje zadnje besede, da nekako zaključimo.
Ja, hvala lepa še enkrat, Anže. Skratka, s tem pogovorom smo vam želeli samo pokazati, mogoče dokazati, da imamo pri projektu Zaledje največjih dveh mož, se pravi šef razvoja, šef IT-ja, in upamo, da smo s tem pridobili še dodatno zaupanje v sam projekt, v samo zgodbo, če temu tako rečemo, in da bomo na tej poti uspešni. Tako da vso potrebno gradivo boste našli na spletni strani, preko maila, izobraževali trenerje, sodnike in tako naprej. Na samih turnirjih vam bodo sodniki seveda tudi pomagali, vam dodatno pripomogli k temu, da bo zadeva uspešna, in torej vse, kar bi želeli sporočiti, da se za ta prihod ni treba bati. Thank you very much also to our guests, distinguished guests who will have. Thank you for all cooperation, support, and I'm sure that our cooperation will be even greater in next weeks, months, years, and so on. Thank you very much.
Thank you and good luck. Hvala.